In the heart of Lahore, the foundation of Lawrence Garden was laid in 1862. It was designed on the pattern of the Royal Botanical Gardens, Kew in England. At the time of its establishment, it was named Lawrence Garden after Lord Sir John Lawrence, and a statue of him was also installed inside the garden. Later, this statue was transferred to a college in Northern Ireland. After independence, the garden was renamed Jinnah Garden in honor of the founder of Pakistan. Initially, the garden covered an area of 176 acres, but over time, 21 acres were given to the Lahore Zoo, 14 acres to the Government College Botanical Garden, and 1 acre was used for roads, reducing its total area to 140 acres. The Botanical Garden was handed over to Government College in 1913. In 1915, electricity was supplied to the garden, and the first tube well was installed. The Rose Garden was established in 1920, and 185 plants of 138 varieties were imported from England. Local gardeners were specially trained to take care of these delicate plants. Until 1927, tongas, horse carriages, and carts used to pass through the garden, but to protect the sensitive flowers from dust, their entry was banned that same year. In 1935, a pond inside the garden was removed and replaced with a beautifully designed section, now known as Gulistan-e-Fatima. Today, Bagh-e-Jinnah is home to over 150 species of trees and more than 140 species of herbs, along with 3 nurseries. Among the buildings located in Bagh-e-Jinnah, the most prominent is the Quaid-e-Azam Library. This library was formed by merging Lawrence Hall, built in 1862, and Montgomery Hall, built in 1866, into one grand structure. Other notable landmarks in the garden include the Gymkhana Cricket Ground, known as Lahore's most beautiful cricket ground, the open-air theatre, and the Dar al-Islam Mosque. On the Mall Road side, there are tennis courts, while at the China Chowk corner, there is a play area for children. Golgappas, crispy street snacks, associated with Bagh-e-Jinnah, are particularly famous among Lahoris. Near Gate No. 1 on Mall Road, and the 3 gates on Lawrence Road, vendors sell golgappas late into the night, attracting crowds of eager visitors.